How to get a free donation button and place donate. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get free donation button and place donate. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on this create button on the Roblox website. Then after you've done that, it will direct you to the creator account. So click on dashboard right here. And then from in there, you can see your creation, which is this public word right here. So what you need to do is to just head over and click on the three dots. And then click on create badge. Then after that, you can just upload an image. So let's then upload an image right here. And then you can rename it. So let's name it please donate. Or in here, you can just TY for donating. Then after that, click on create badge. Now once you have done that, click on process right here. And then just repeat the same thing. Upload the image. And then the name. The description. Click on create pass. After you have done that, what you need to do next is to click on right click on this, or in here you can just click on this right here, and then from in there you can click on sales, and then select this item for sale, and the price is, for example, is 50. Then click on save changes. As you can see, you will earn 35 Robux after the creator earnings. So once you have saved on that, you can now have that on your world that we have earlier. So that's all process. I hope this video helped you to get the free donation button and please donate. If you have questions, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.